Hello guys, in this tutorial we will show you how Store Future works on mobile devices. Open the app on your device. The app will ask you to access your location. Allow the permissions. The About Us section will open. Tap the three-line menu icon present on the top left corner. Tap Store icon. The Store section will open. Here you will see the product's categories, future products, latest products, etc. Tap the product that you want to purchase. The product listing will open. Tap the image to see product image. Scroll down to check the product price, description, ratings, and reviews. From here you can increase or decrease the quantity of the product. Tap here to check the different versions of the product. To check the delivery availability of the product at your location, tap here. A pop-up will open. Select the country and state and tap continue. If you want to check all the reviews regarding the product, tap read more reviews. Tap add to add cart to the product to your cart. You will see the success message once the product is added to the cart. Tap cart icon present in the top right corner. Here you will see all the order details like number of products, total cart cost, cart discount, and total payable amount. From here you can increase or decrease the product quantity. Tap continue to move ahead. On this screen you will see your shipping details, price details, and product. If you have a coupon code, enter it here and tap apply. Once the coupon is applied, you will see that successful message on your mobile screen. If your billing address is different from your shipping address, you can uncheck this option and add the different address. Tap pay to make the payment. Here you will see the total amount you need to pay and different payment methods like cash on delivery, pickup, PayPal Express, credit card via Stripe Payment Gateway, pay with Mercado Pago, Velocity Pay, Braintree Payments, Authorized Gateway, and Bolero integration key. You can select your desired payment method as per your needs. Once done, you'll be redirected to the thank you page. You will see the success message on the screen. To check all your orders, tap view all orders. Your order sections will open. Here you can check all your current and past orders. Tap the order to know the complete order details. Here you can see order ID, date, price, status, items, price summary, shipping address, and billing address. Tap the back icon. Once again, tap the back icon. Tap the three-line menu icon. Here you will see your name, register email address, and options like your orders, your wish list, saved address, and return cancellation request. Tap Save Address. Here you will see all your saved addresses. If you want, you can edit or remove them from here. You can also add new addresses from here. Tap back icon and reopen the three-line menu icon. Tap Return Cancellation Request. Here you will see all the orders, return, and cancellation requests. Under Cancel tab, you can see all your cancel orders, while under Return tab, you can see all your return orders. Tap Back icon and reopen the three-line menu icon. Tap your wish list. Here you will see the products that you have added to your wish list that you may be planning to buy in future. Tap the trash icon to delete the product from the wish list. That's how the Store Future works on your mobile device. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they go live.